Hello YouTube, this is another video by me, XX1. In this video I'm just showing you a program I use for my phone that I just basically open the program in my phone. It's a link to the program in my phone is in the description, and I basically just earn free money just by opening that program in my phone. So again, the link is in the description. It's called Points Panel Rewards, and it's a pretty cool program that you use on your phone. This is the link. After you click that link in the description, this is what shows up. You just gotta type in your email address, your phone number, and you could send the download program instructions via text or email, and then Android or iOS, and then you submit, and it should send it to you, and then you download it, and then you basically just earn earn points or money, which you can then use to get Amazon gift cards basically by just doing nothing other than opening the program in your phone. It's a pretty cool program, so I like it a lot. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also subscribe and like the video. Thank you.